and welcome to my channel. Today I'll make Ramadan special snacks called bread chop. If you are new to my channel, consider subscribing for more awesome videos and don't forget to click the bell icon. Now let's get started. Take a medium-sized onion and slice half of it. I crush it with my hand so there's less work in the pan. Take 2 cloves of garlic and chop finely. Take some green chili according to your taste and chop finely. Take 3 potatoes and cube them in small chunks. Next, take some baby carrots or half of a medium-sized carrot and cube it. Some finely chopped fresh cilantro for garnishing. Take 5 slices of bread and cut off the brown edges. I'll post the link to the written ingredients in the description box. I'll save the edges for a later use. Take 1/4 teaspoon of pachforon, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric, 1/2 teaspoon red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon cumin, 1/4 teaspoon coriander and salt to taste. Let's make the filling first. Heat a pan and add 2 tablespoons of oil. Add sliced onions followed by garlic and pachforon aka 5-spice blend. Give it a stir and fry until onions turn golden. Add potatoes. Pour in the rest of spices and mix well. Add carrots and cover with a lid. After 1 minute, take off the lid. Add green chilies, mix, and cover again. You may add some green peas if you have. I didn't use any water. The covering released enough water from the vegetables. Cover again and cook until tender. You can see the water is gone. Check with the spatula if the potato is cooked. If it's halved easily, we are done. If not, give it a minute more. Garnish with cilantro and turn off the heat. This delicious filling can be eaten with rice or flatbread too. Take a bowl of water and dip a bread slice for a second. Press with both hands to extract water. Make sure the water is extracted or else the chop will become soggy inside. The purpose of water is to soften the bread without breaking, but too much water can do the opposite. Take slice of a softened bread and spoon the filling on it. Carefully fold the edges to form a round shape and pinch the edges together to seal. Let's repeat. Try to cup your palms so it will be easier to achieve the roundish shape. Transfer into a plate and freeze up for at least 30 minutes so the bread holds shape. You can freeze up to 3 months like this and eat whenever you want by popping them directly in hot oil. The oil is hot enough when you see bubbles around the spatula. Gently release the chops in the oil and fry in medium heat. Flip once golden on the other side. Once you see the browning edges, flip again and look at that rich color. Fry until brown evenly on both sides. Hold the chop along the pan for a couple of seconds to drain the excess oil. Transfer into a plate lined with kitchen towel to absorb the oil. bread chops are ready. Delicious and so easy to make. A new addition to the iftar platter. Enjoy, like and share this video. See you next time. Stay safe.